Howdy, Lone Star Rider here. Got another product to show off here. Y'all stick around.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
Yeah, guys, I've got the new Ranger Turtle Box. And if you haven't seen my old Turtle Box here, this thing is huge. It's heavy, but it's sufficed for sure. This one floats, by the way. And I don't believe this does, but let's open it up and see what we got here. Yes, Alright, let's see how this comes out of the box here. Here we go. That's cool. Nothing else on here. Once you get those tabs taken off, this thing comes up out pretty cool. Oof. I'm dropping everything. Looks like it comes with, I'll put this to the side here for right at the moment. What's the box? They've got some QR codes that you can do here if you want to do a screenshot of that. Yeah, instructions and a couple of stickers. That's cool. I like stickers. You don't know me. Live free. Okay. This company is out of Houston, Texas, by the way. But everything is made in China, unfortunately. Maybe they'll change that. It also comes with a charging cable. Very cool. That's all else is in the box. Let's see what we can do without reading the instructions. Now, I do own the bigger Turtle Box, which I've shown. Here's the power where it comes in. Oh, this thing's supposed to be waterproof too. Has a little hook on the bottom so you can hang it. And one of the things I think I'm going to like is the magnets here. Let's see how that works. So over here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, that works pretty darn good. And they got rubber coatings on it so it doesn't mess up your vehicle or whatever you're putting on there. It's got all the controls here, the volume up, the connection, and the hold in. So we'll see what we can do with that here in just a second. And you're also able to join different turtle boxes. And also this little rubber bumper here on the ends, you can actually change those out for different colors. I think I'd like red. Alright, let's power it on and see what's going on with the battery here. And see how much it's charged. It's almost full. And it's looking for my phone, which is what I'm recording with. Hang on here. We'll be back. Anyway, this thing is the perfect size. I like it better than this size. Oh, and that freaking thing is heavy. But I like this. So I'm going to switch out cameras here and see what I can get with this. Alright, I got this going here. I got it synced, I think. I don't think this thing likes me recording on my screen. Okay, works great. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Anyway, these turtle boxes are great. I've been loving this one and using it a lot. But now that I have this other one, it has a connection here. Yeah, right above my finger. That's where you sync with other turtle boxes. And this, I'm not sure. Let's find out what that is. I am not sure what that is, but let me hit play. It's got a nice little small manual, like, you know, most things, and I'm sure you can download this manual. says USB charging and output, which would be that. No, I already figured that part out. Volume, tracking, Bluetooth, stereo pairing, and party modes. These are party modes. I'm not sure what the party modes do here. That's that button right there on the bottom. Party mode. Party mode. I probably will never do that, but says your speaker is IP67 waterproof, dustproof rating when the port flap is closed. That's this flap right here. So it has to be closed, and this seems really well done. Care and maintenance, always keep your port covered closed around water. Do not allow your speaker to be exposed to any water, moisture being charged while it's being charged. That makes sense. And if your speaker is exposed to salt water, wash it off with fresh water after use. Treat it like a nice fishing reel. By the way, this turtle box, it rocks. Pun intended. I like this one out of the whole series because of the size, and it's fantastic. I've used it for a little bit now, and yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. I am going to change the rubber colors on here though. I want them to be red. That depends how much it costs. Catch you on the road here in Jay, Oklahoma at the Overland of America. Very cool. With a Ranger turtle box. Answer the phone. Quiet on the set.
Really film those in your underwear?
Yes, I do. One in every crowd. And by the way,